Hello and welcome to the 2018 Tangy Tuesday Olympic Contest. This contest is completely free and any class is welcome to participate. The goal of this contest is to, as a class, solve as many puzzles as you can in a given event. There are 4 events to choose from: Kakuma, Tang, Snake, and a medley of all 3. The top 3 classes with the highest scores in each event will receive a grand prize at the end of the contest. You will find all rules and regulations right here at tangmath.com/pages/tangy-tuesday. Make sure to read this page very thoroughly for details and eligibility. To begin, choose your event and grade level from the contest menu. Please note that this contest is not regulated by Tang Math, so we ask that classes please honor the rules and select the grade level that is their own grade or higher. I'm going to choose Medley so that we can see all 3 puzzles. In the top left, you'll notice that each level has a unique identifier called a level code. That corresponds to that particular level. At any time, you can enter this level code into the level code box to skip directly to that level to pick up from where you left off. Please keep in mind, once you close the browser or leave this webpage, all progress will be lost. So make sure to write down your last level code before you do so. The first puzzle is Kakuma. Here is how to play. In each mini puzzle, there is one and only one addition fact family. Once you identify the fact family, click on the sum and move on to the next one. Once you've clicked on the sum in all the mini puzzles, click Check Puzzle in the menu to see if your answers are correct. If any answers are incorrect, they will be highlighted in red. If all answers are correct, you will pass the level and a new puzzle will appear. The second event is Tang. The goal is to find the match between any 2 adjacent cards. Once you identify the match, choose that value from the select bar between the 2 cards. Once all the matches are found, click Check Puzzle. If any matches are incorrect, they will be highlighted in red. Otherwise, you will pass the level and a new puzzle will appear. The third event is Snake. In each empty box, use the numbers from the previous 2 boxes to get to the answer to the next box. Keep going until all the empty boxes are filled, and then click Check Puzzle. If any boxes are incorrect, they will be highlighted in red. Otherwise, you'll pass that level and a new puzzle will appear. Please keep in mind that this contest relies entirely on the honor system. Classes are expected to choose the appropriate grade level when participating. The contest will run from Tuesday, February 20th through Wednesday, February 21st. We will also be sharing an easy-to-complete survey where parents and teachers will enter their highest level reached with the corresponding code. This needs to be completed and submitted by 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursday the 22nd in order to be eligible to win the grand prizes. Winners will be announced on our contest homepage on Friday, February 23rd. And that completes the Tangy Tuesday Olympic Contest tutorial. Thank you for watching and we hope you participate. We also encourage you to post any pictures or videos of your students participating. Tag us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram with the handle @GregTangMath. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact information can be found on the contest homepage and visit tangmath.com for details. Let the games begin!